Tired of manually sorting, tracking, and recording invoices? This N8N automation pulls every invoice from your Google Drive, extracts all key details using AI, logs it straight into your finance sheet, and notifies your billing team automatically. Here's how it works. 1. When a new invoice file is added to Google Drive, N8N instantly detects it. 2. It downloads the file and extracts the text, even from PDFs. 3. The information extractor node, powered by AI, reads the invoice and maps key data points like invoice number, vendor, total amount, due date, currency, tax details, file link, all automatically validated and structured. Next, that clean data is pushed into Google Sheets, your live financial database. No more manual typing, no more missing invoices. Every entry is logged with a timestamp, source file name, and link for easy audits. It tracks essential invoice fields like invoice number, client name, date, company name, status, address, email, description, quantity, price, amount, payment method, total everything your finance team needs for reporting, tax preparation, and audit readiness, stored automatically. Then your billing team gets notified by email. They receive the extracted details instantly, ready for review or payment. You can even connect it to your accounting tools like QuickBooks, Zoho Books, or Xero, so invoices move straight into your ledger. The result? Save hours of admin work, reduce human error, keep every invoice ready for tax season, maintain 24/7 visibility of your financial workflow. For companies managing dozens of invoices monthly, this automation cuts workload and gives full traceability. From the moment the invoice is received until it's recorded, whether you're a freelancer, startup, or growing enterprise. This setup gives you accountant-level control without the extra cost. This tutorial shows the foundation, but the real power is in a tailored setup, integrated with your own finance stack and processes. If you want a version built for your business, reach out. Let's automate your financial workflow and make tax season effortless. Follow for more AI plus automation tutorials designed to save time and sharpen your business operations.